Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So, today, where is it at? I just had it. Nope, not those. Not that. There we go. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the jsaux micro USB cables. Oof. So, I got my handy dandy, I forgot what brand this was, but my handy dandy box cutter. So, usually I would have recorded videos earlier in the day, but we had some family friends over, so it was a big hangout day, and I just felt bad if I wasn't hanging out with everybody. I don't know if that's the tism, but that's how I like to explain why I would feel guilt from doing my own thing, even though, you know, it's mainly my parents' friends and their kids that are a lot younger than I am, but it is what it is, so. I'm gonna hurt my cuticles again. See, just did it. And I kept smacking this one on stuff. So like the band-aid that I had on earlier literally leaked through as like my TMI for the day. So that's how blue the micro USB cords are. I didn't expect that to fall out.
What is this?
Product warranty card. Thank you for choosing jsaux. Please read the warranty carefully. Please keep your purchase voucher and this warranty card in a safe place. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. I mean, they were cheap enough that if anything goes wrong, like, I'll just get another one. But yeah, that's that. Leading brand of power and connectivity. For sure. Agree with that statement. Like, these last a really long time. Look at how deep blue that blue is. Honestly, I can't really see that well, but my glasses have been driving me insane. Mainly because I think it's scratched behind my ear. That might be an issue for another time. And you may be wondering why I'm wearing such like a thick fleece-ish hoodie. Well, it's literally like 90 something degrees outside. I haven't been in my room all day, and its air conditioning gets freaking cold. Cause universal air conditioning in Florida is just that way. We wouldn't be able to survive here without universal air conditioning. Oh, that doesn't help much, but it's better. I turned the big light off, so there's that. Look at that. Yo, look at the crispness on this. So I changed my recording quality from HD 30 frames per second to FHD full frames per second. I don't know how much of a big difference that is on the selfie camera side, but it did say when I switched from FHD to HD30 that HD30 was actually in space-saving lower resolution. So I guess that's the difference. So I think one of these is a 6-foot cord and the other one is a 10-foot cord. So I guess you can see that from how many laps there are. So there's more like folds with this one, looks like more material with this one, and then less with this one, just by like the middle, like how many strands that there are in the folds. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna use this one first for charging my mouse if need be, or actually to connect my camera to my computer. Look at how crisp that is compared to usual. I think I should keep it on FHD. I'm kind of digging this. I'm digging how much faster that the focus is with this. Look at that. I mean, I feel like I don't look any different, but like the speed of focus on the product, so much better. Look, like I can actually see that it's focusing on it on the screen now compared to usual. So that's a little crazy, but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you all. I hope you found some sort of value within this video, whether that be entertainment or whatever else. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!